Hi, my name is Scar, the Sky Dino. Let's get on to today's sq1 alg of the day. Today's sq1 algs are the G perms with solved on bottom. Here's how you solve them. For GA, hold a block in front and do this alg. Slash -3, 3, slash 3, -3, slash 4, 0, slash 0, -3, slash 03 slash 0 -3 slash 03. Do your ABF and you're done. For GB solved, hold the block in front and do this alg. 1 slash 3 3 slash 2 -1 slash 1 -2 slash 0 3 slash 3 3 slash 0 -3 slash 1. Do your ABF and you're done. For GC, start with the headlights in front and do the alg. 1 slash -3 3 slash 3 -3 slash -1 slash -3 slash 3 slash -3 slash 3 slash. Do your ABF and you're done. For GD, hold your headlights on right and do the alg. Slash 0 -3 slash 03 slash 0 -3 slash 03 -20 slash -3 3 slash 3 -3 slash -1. Do your ABF and you're done.